larger. Yeah, there's a garage door. We open that up. That goes into actually another room, which is fully jammed right now.
Yeah, there's a little resurfacing right now.
He's in the process of trying to get all that out, and he's going to be putting it in these wings. Going on, another coach has his team, and the village is kind of warming up and going through their play and all that. So I need to understand exactly what they're doing.
Just cleaning the floor for you here.
So, little remote control.
Oh, very nice.
Are these coming? Are these coming?
Storage.
Very nice. It's much easier, right?
Anyway, just bring it down this hall and
Come out through here.
an access point here for you through this garage door. Up to a level that you're comfortable with, based on still seeing your band and having it higher, and still be able to show, on the street what you want.
Stop.
And we can stop it, at whatever height you want.
Yeah, but those are all plugged into their sound system, not to ours.
That's neat headlights. And each one of these is preset. That's another second here. Programming these for various things that they do.
That loading dock the door is available.
Yes. So you've got 8 of these. We could project anything from there, to tell you the truth.
Oh, you don't use a projector up there?
No.
Oh, haven't yet?
We haven't yet.
I would just
And
think
maybe
that
that's
would be the
because
projection.
we don't have that capability. It's really lighting that I would not do anything until they told me that they no longer were fixed. And I've been talking with you guys since last spring. What our church services would be versus what time constraints with the basketball, or whatever it is that we're doing after. Are they always here at a certain time? Point with some of the larger. Yeah, there's a garage door. We open that up. That goes into actually another room, which is fully jammed right now.
Yeah, there's a little resurfacing right now.
He's in the process of trying to get all that out, and he's going to be putting it in these wings. Then theater.
On the map, it looks like those doors go straight out to a parking lot.
They do.
Okay. Because we bring things in on the way.
Okay. What does the auditorium have a loading range? It does?
Yeah.
So they can.
It's a little more serpentine though than this one, which is why I'm thinking